'Cause it's too cold.
YouTube, what is up, man? Look, welcome back to another video. New to my channel, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and share. This channel is nothing but car content, Mopar content, anything car related is on this channel. Hit that subscribe button. We chasing 6K. Now listen, man, I know I've been slacking. It's been a lot of shit going on these past couple months. We had meets, but cops is cracking down on meets. They trying to ruin our fun and shit. We're trying to get a legal pit out here in Quincy, Illinois. Catalytic converter was messed up. You know, I had a baby. If y'all ain't know, God is good. She's healthy. It's just been a lot of stuff, man. Traveling. So, you know, I've been kind of busy, but I'm trying to get back consistent. I'm trying to get back on the grind. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to upload weekly. But yeah, man, just update y'all along the way, man. It's been a struggle these past couple months, but we back. Hit that subscribe button. And today, man, we finna, it's just really an errand run. Gonna do a little POV. I gotta go get gas. I gotta get a car wash. I got mad bug guts and all kind of shit on my front bumper. And then I just got to cut too. I might have to go to Walmart run. And then I got to get a nozzle fix for my windshield wipers. So we just gonna drive around, bro. Just drive with me. Let y'all hear that. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna end the video, all right? So make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. For real, I'm trying to chase 6K and then reach my way to 10K and then so on and so forth, man. If you fucking with me, you like the content, hit that subscribe button, all right? We're gonna catch y'all. Look at all of this, man, look. Windshield. Kitty be eating them bugs up, man. Like, just see, I know, yes, I am in eco mode. I do gotta get gas. It's been like 2 weeks, damn near, since I touched my car, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'll be letting it sit. You know, still 15K miles on there, not bad. But we finna go get gas right now. Let's go. I lowered the window down too, while I got my air on. It is freaking 84 degrees outside, damn near 90. And it's gonna get hotter too, so. Oh, license plate fell. But yeah, man, let's get some wine action, man. Let's go. I gotta get back consistent on this mug. Yeah, bro, I don't get tired of hearing that, boy. I don't get tired of hearing that, boy. If y'all ain't know, when y'all in eco mode, the whine is louder. You know, it limits the exhaust sound and shit like that. I miss hearing that, boy. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, the exhaust popping back there. She farting. That kitty farting. That's my one of my neighbors. Golly. We finna hit this bridge. Let y'all hear that thing. Oh my lordy. Oh my lordy. Pat, pat. Look at that view over there. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Showing love in the trunk, okay? Woo-wee. All right, YouTube, made it to the gas station. We only go 93. We only do 93. And I'm only putting 30, bro, because I'm a cheap bitch. I ain't gonna lie. That premium, boy. Yeah, man, we gotta fill up the kitty cat. And then after this, nice little car wash. You know what I'm saying? Cutting up on the highway, this is what you get right here. This is what you get right here, look. Car wash. Well, I might get my nozzle fixed for my windshield blade. and then get a car wash. So y'all stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, man. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, right there. YouTube, right there. And y'all can add me on Snapchat, right there. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube, before we go, as you can see, $30 got me to about above halfway, 127 miles of range. So, you know, maybe if I would have put like 45, maybe 50 close, but, bro, gas is expensive, bro. Like, all right, man. We're going to get on this highway, cut up a little bit, and then head to the shop. All right, let's go. I feel like if you own one of these cars, you should not get tired of that sound, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't get tired of that whine, boy. Not at all. Yeah. Also coming soon, I'm getting this mug tuned. 285 upper pulley. 108 millimeter throttle body. Ported snout, but we going crazy, bro. I'm telling you, y'all just gotta give me some time. Stay tuned, bro. All the upgrades coming. I will be letting y'all know. I will be vlogging and all of that, bro. We gonna make her faster. She killing everything on the road. Some wine in this mug, boy. Damn! Oh my God, yo, my exhaust is crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this shit is crazy. I let hit it one time on this bridge. Damn. God damn. Oh shit. Alright, man, I'm gonna put the camera down for now because we finna enter the city, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up when we get to the shop. All right, YouTube, I pulled up to the shop. Sadly, the dude that was supposed to work on it is not here. So I don't know if I'll pull up to his crib and do it. But for now, we're just gonna hold off on that. We gotta clean her up. Obviously, she's dirty. So we're just gonna give her a car wash. Then we're gonna end the video there, all right? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications, man, if you enjoy this car content, car channels, and all of that, man. We going up. Yeah, she dirty, man. We'll catch y'all when we get to the car wash. I am no longer in eco mode, so we in auto. You know, I ain't trying to go track. That shit gonna drain my gas, so. Yeah, you can tell, yo, it's a freaking major difference, bro, from eco to regular, bro, from auto mode, bro. That the throttle response is crazy. Let's get one more little POV in. Hurry that ass up, man. Damn. God damn. But when that exhaust fart, bro, that shit's fucking crazy. That shit be farting, boy. Quick Walmart run. Finna go to AutoZone now. We out. Bro, it's about 92 degrees. I'm the only one with a hoodie, bro. I'm just built different, bro. I'm different, bro. All right, YouTube, as you can see, we made it to the car wash. I'm gonna give y'all a before look. You see this motherfucker dirty as a motherfucker, bro. So this is before, the windshield dirty. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give her a nice little clean bath. And I'm gonna get at her after. And then we're gonna wrap the video because I got other stuff to do. But hey, man, hit that subscribe button.
I could do this shit with no effort. You know I do this shit with no effort. I could do this shit with no effort. Nigga, Shoes took a house, I took your bitch, took that.
All right, YouTube, she is done, as you can see, clean. We got that soap wash, deep rinse. You know what I'm saying? She's all clean, no more bugs, no more dry spots and splats and all kind of shit. Just for $3. Hey, man, that's gonna conclude today's video, man. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. We got more videos coming. I got another video with a homie. We finna trade cars. He got a Trackhawk. Obviously, I got a Hellcat Redeye, so we finna trade just for the day. That's gonna be my first time ever driving a Trackhawk. So hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on post notifications. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.
On the way to reach my goals, lot of doors open and close. I've been spending millions on clothes, I've been making millions off clothes. Spend new money to the old.